Good. Hey everybody, it's Brooks from MSP Disposal, day 2 at eBay. It's a little different format today. It's going to be much faster, so it's going to save a lot of people's time. So I want to show you quickly before the auction starts, like 4 or 5 minutes, the sorting process and using AI to help detect, do you sort this, do you sell this, do you recycle this, through our AI technology, which we're about to roll out probably to all of our users. So in our platform here, we have our what we're calling AI live labeling. Okay, so this integrates with ChatGPT, OpenAI, and what it does is takes images and it will take it and then respond back to what it thinks it is. So I'm going to give you an example of something pretty difficult. So there's a lot of people, if you're not technical, you don't really know what this part is, right? So this is the 10 gig SFP X520 adapter, but there's no model number on it at all, right? So people are scrapping this, but this could be worth $100. So what we're going to do is we got the camera here. We're going to start the labeling process, and we're going to go live with our camera right here. All right, perfect. Now, so we're putting the gun in the item, and what it's doing every 5 seconds is taking a photograph, sucking that up to OpenAI, and then saying, what is this thing? And when it comes back, I'm going to go do a few more parts here. So here we go. Hard drive, or SSD. Good. And you can move it after the 5 seconds is done. It's already up at OpenAI and doing this thing and trying to figure out what it is. So now we'll do some RAM here. Perfect. Good. Now, let's check this out. So the results here, this one took the longest actually. So the 10 giggy, wow, that's OpenAI quickly coming back on what it thinks this stuff is. So we're just gonna go to the first one we did. This QLogic card, 10 gig SFP. What we're taking, it shows how many people in the platform might want that product. So we have 91 people. So I'm about to send some text messages out. This is our first time doing this. We're going to put the ability to default notifications, but for this demo purposes, I want to actually show what's going on. So we are going to notify right now 91 people via email and 91 people through text about that product. So how this can benefit you, having this same technology on your computers in your warehouse, having your employees, you're not having to train them on all these different use cases and edge cases out there on what's scrap, what's not. You put it on the platform, it comes back and you say, hey, this is what it's worth. This is how many people that might want to buy it. Do you want to get their information? And what it may be even going for on our platform, also on eBay through our API connection with them. So very beneficial in my perspective. So let's see what it came back to here. We have it picked up. This was 16 gigs, DDR3. You know, the difference between DDR3 and DDR4 is 10, 12 bucks roughly. That could be a big mistake that your employees could be making. So this new feature we think is going to save a lot of time and save a lot of money just by helping train the system. So that being said, I'm going to try one more. I'm going to do hard drive here. So Seagate 12 terabyte SAS drive. Okay. Now that's thinking right there. Tomorrow, I'm going to show y'all how we can use the same type of, put it on me, the same type of technology and around the agent. So, you know, the buzzword right now is agent, but truly when we put a whole different word to it, like an independent person doing work, that kind of gave us the ability, okay, well, what can this thing do? Can it scan your eBay store at night while you're sleeping, identify every picture, every model, and say, hey, you haven't sold this on eBay in 30 days, 90 days. Here's a whole list of people who want to buy that. That's very powerful. And just one click, you say, yep, all, you know, out of 1,000 listings, I want to liquidate maybe 40 of them. And here's all the people that might want to buy that. So finally, the platform is getting to a point where it has enough users and enough bid data to really help connect the dots with everybody. That's why we kind of ran our free for so many years. And we're Everything with AI is now colliding. We're making everything happen very fast. So that being said, auction is about to start awarding lots right now. So what's being sold today? I'm gonna stop this. All right. So we have some laptops. If you want to know when exactly it's going to be awarded, just look at the award date and time. So August 13th, 3:36, which is right now. So that will auto award. This one right here, 333. That should have already been awarded, unless it didn't hit its reserve price. Um, and that might be the last bit right there. Let me just refresh. So, so it looks like the laptops, those went for 5,200 today. August 13th. SSDs 1320, and so far that's all that's been auto awarded right now. So more to come. Keep bidding. Um, Keep using MSP GPT. We released that 6 months after OpenAI came out with ChatGPT. We created our own through their integration platform. Start using it more and more. We're now using GPT 5.0. It's very fast. The data on there is a lot better. So just start asking our MSP GPT any questions you want to buy this, want to sell that, and hopefully we'll start returning answers that you want. But we also review that data in order to help figure out where we want to go next. But appreciate the time. Be on tomorrow for the next auction to show you the agents and how we're scanning our eBay stores and figuring out how to sell things that aren't moving. Appreciate it. Thank you.